Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well. Because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you guys do that. Let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Me, my golden rule is only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that, especially in cryptocurrencies, all right? So please be careful, do your own research. Do not take what I say as financial advice in this video. All right, straight to the community tab, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is a really interesting website. I had to take a screenshot because it's not available on mobile, believe it or not. This is the current world map of CBDCs, so central bank digital currency status. Now, obviously, you can see the world here, guys. So red is obviously being cancelled. There's a few countries in the world that have cancelled CBDCs. Green is obviously in research, like North America. You've got Russia there. Most of the world is in research at the moment. Really interesting website. I'll link it below. Have a look at it, guys. Obviously, you've got purple, proof of concept. So Australia is literally working on a proof of concept for CBDCs. And I looked on the on this website here, and it actually says it's working on the Ethereum network as well. So it's very interesting, ladies and gentlemen. They've got code names as well, so it's really fascinating. Some other stuff here. You've got orange, which is pilot, so Canada. You've got obviously China as well, which is on a pilot program here. And blue is actually launched, and there's only like literally one country in Africa that has launched their CBDCs. So this is really fascinating stuff, guys. Now, I'm going to get into CoinSpot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, so please feel free to use the referral link below. You can get $10 in Bitcoin if you want to get started in that. That will help. Obviously, do your own research and be careful with this stuff. All these prices are in Australian dollars. Today, we're still in the greens, in my opinion anyway. It's slightly down, but again, this is what happens on Sunday, Monday morning here around the world anyway. Things are quiet, so it's probably a good time to DCA into your crypto investments. Anyway, let's have a look at Bitcoin, 55,000. Ethereum, $3,840. It is up 0.35%. Cardano is $1.52. That's incredibly buying, incredible buying opportunity. Solana is 137. Another incredible buying opportunity. I think this project will easily go to the thousands of dollars in the future, in probably the next 5 to 10 years, guys. It really will. It's an incredible project. XRP is at 88 cents. I've got some news updates about XRP. Going to get into that in a second. Luna's at $67. Dogecoin, 20 cents. DOT is at $26. I'm personally not holding DOT, but I think I'm going to start DCAing into Polkadot, obviously, because it's got an incredible utility. And again, it's a very a project that goes after interoperability, which obviously connects many other projects around the planet, and obviously everyone knows that. So, and also you can stake it on CoinSpot and earn like 19% APY. So that is insane, and you get paid out daily for that. Matic is at $2.37, great buying opportunity. Crow, 62 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Chainlink is up 9.43%, $26. Link is an insane project that is literally bought up by a lot of Ethereum whales, believe it or not. So Link is one that I'm eyeing off. Atom is at $40. Let's have a look here. Near Protocol, $15. Again, I've seen some insane predictions about this going to Solana levels, which would be incredible. Keep scrolling down here, ladies and gentlemen. FTT, $60. FTM is at $2.99. I'm holding that. Stellar, 28 cents. That is incredible buying opportunity. I'm very bullish on Stellar. Mana's at $3.70. Hedera. Got some interesting updates here from the CEO of Hedera Hashgraph. So I'm very bullish on Hedera. And again, they're just getting started in this space. So 32 cents, that is incredibly cheap for what they're doing. And obviously now Google's involved with Hedera going to use the Hashgraph technology. So you can just imagine what's going to happen there. Sandbox, $5.70. Vechain. Now, I've got some really interesting updates about Vechain. Things are about to get crazy with Vechain. I've been talking about Vechain for a while. Some crazy predictions. We'll get into that in a second. But 7 cents, it's a great DCA opportunity. Axie Infinity, $78. What else we got here? We've got Theta at $4.23. We've got IOTA, $1.20. Harmony One, 26 cents. Keep scrolling down here. The graph, I'm holding that, 58 cents. Curved out, $4.71. Neo, $28. Gala Games, 28 cents. Quant, $140. That is a monster project, ladies and gentlemen. I am still doing my real in-depth analysis on Quant, obviously, because I want to provide you guys with some good content. $140 is a great entry point. And obviously my other favorite here is XDC, down to 8 cents. Now, I've been saying that I want to hold 6 figures of XDC because I think it's an incredible buying opportunity. Once these banking coins take off this year, forget it. You will never see these prices again, honestly. We are just getting started in crypto, CBDCs, blockchain technology, metaverse, all these projects. We will not see these crypto prices again. And I think in 2025, and after that, you will not see 10x to 100x gains in cryptocurrencies again, because that time would have passed. Everything would obviously have been established. 2030, the new world. So anyway, let's get into some interesting stuff here I've found online. Firstly, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, this is on the daily chart. We have some greens today. Link, XTZ, Hex. Again, when the market goes down, Hex pumps. Don't know why, it's always the case. Mana, HNT, Flow, T-Fuel, Axe Infinity Curve. What else we got here? HT, OKB, Flow, and Neo as well. So a couple of good projects there. But again, there's some really good buying opportunities here. Now, Vechain, some very bullish news here. Came out on the 26th, guys. So we are now the 31st of January. Vechain price predictions. What would a Grayscale listing mean for VET crypto? Now, I've been telling people to look at VET seriously because it's undervalued. Its utility is incredible. It's already got partnerships that are using it at the moment. Louis Vuitton Group, Tag Heuer, luxury brands. I mean, Louis Vuitton itself, because I mean, the founder was a COO of Louis Vuitton Group. You've got BMW, you've got Renault, already using this technology to put, chips into locations, like you can track it from when it was made and the manufacturer to the end, and you can scan it using the Vechain app. It's an incredible project, guys, and it's also now getting involved in the healthcare system as well in China. So got an interesting tweet about that. But guys, today one of the crypto projects that is gaining investor attention is Vechain. Vechain is a coin that is generally out of the spotlight. I agree. However, this crypto is number 35 in the overall terms of market cap. Thus, there is some interesting interest among investors with respect to expert Vechain price predictions. So let's have a look here. The interest level is risen today as Greyscale, big investment in crypto, guys, has reportedly looking to consider adding Vechain to its decentralized DeFi fund. Grayscale is the world's largest crypto asset manager. Accordingly, when Grayscale looks to list the crypto project, obviously investors take notice. Vechain's blockchain integrated supply chain solutions provide very unique real-world utility, which I've been talking about for ages. Accordingly, many investors who may already be bullish on VET from a growth perspective will like this news. A Grayscale product launch is generally viewed as a validation of a blockchain's value. I've been talking about Vechain for months. For Vechain, this could certainly be a very positive catalyst. Accordingly, let's take a look at what the experts see the coin is headed from here. Predictions, you've got Wall Street Investor that provides a 1 year to 5 year forecast, 14 cents to 47 cents. What is it at today, actually? Let's just have a look and refresh here because I think this is incredible. I just want to show you guys here what Vechain is actually priced at. Let's have a look here. Vechain, 7 cents. So it's going to 47 cents, this prediction here. 2023 to 2025, you've got 19 to 27 cents. Finally, digital coin price provides 2023 to 2025, 12 cents to 19 cents. I think it will go a lot higher than that, ladies and gentlemen. On the data publication, Chris McDonald did not have either directly or indirectly any positions in the securities mentioned in this article, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, very fascinating. And then you've got an article here coming out on Cointelegraph. Let's have a look at this. Grayscale considers Vechain and IOTA as Coinbase lists 4 low cap coins. Grayscale, the world's largest cryptocurrency asset manager, has added 25 coins to this list. And again, Vechain is on this IOTA, Monero, XMR, and Axe Infinity. Axe Infinity, again, play to earn is going to be mega this year, and it's incredibly good buying opportunity right now. Some other assets here looking at, obviously, Algorand, Arweave, BNT, BitTorrent. I am holding BitTorrent as well. Bora, that has been pumping the last couple of weeks. CVX, Cosmos, Atom, Decred, Elrond, Engine, Phantom, Gala, Gelato. Don't know what that is. I like to eat it. Helium, Holochain, Oasis Rose, Secret, Spell, Sandbox, UMA, and Yield Guild Games. I have been talking about that as well. But so it's really interesting, guys. So Grayscale's current lineup is at 15 crypto investment products, has a $55 billion dollars in assets under management AUM, guys. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Grayscale Ethereum Trust account for $31 billion. So again, when you've got big players like this eyeing off these low cap coins like Vechain, don't discredit them. Keep an eye on, ladies and gentlemen, because I think Vechain is going to be an absolute monster, and it's incredible as well. Some other news about XRP versus, Ripple, versus the SEC. Lawyers believe that the SEC versus Ripple case could end with the payment giants win in April. This is a news article that came out on FX Street here, guys. So Jeremy Hogan, a proponent and a lawyer in the Ripple community, says the SEC versus Ripple case is drawing to a close. We'll see what happens here, guys. There's a low probability of this case getting extended, and experts have predicted April 2022. As the end, analysts are bullish on Ripple. Price rally set to target $27 for XRP. Now, wouldn't that be nice, ladies and gentlemen? That would be fantastic. But I think, we'll see what happens here, guys. That was a couple of weeks ago, obviously, this article. But again, just pointing out the fact that, XRP is not a security. It is clear as daylight. I've said it before in my video that the SEC has detailed information and they're not willing to hand it over because it's going to be detrimental to their case with Ripple. Anyway, crazy stuff. And this is their Q4 earnings reports here in relation to what I put in the video yesterday. Go have a read of that on Ripple.com. This is the CBDC tracker. As you can see right here, it's very, it doesn't have the world map there, but this is as of the 28th of January. So guys, I just want to point out that a lot of these countries are, looking towards, companies like Ripple, HBAR, Hedera, for, they've already got the technology established, so they're going to be assisting with CBDCs. So just goes to show that cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology is not going anywhere. It is just getting started. Very, very bullish here. And again, this is just a little PDF I came across, XRP Ripple overview. Again, major partnerships here, guys. It is going to replace Swift. It's just a no-brainer for me. Honestly, it really is. So Vechain and XRP for sure. Let's go into Twitter. I'm going to go here, guys. This is Mance Harmon here in relation to HBAR. One of three. Excited to share the next phase of our journey is making Hedera the trust layer of the internet. The Governance Council has voted to purchase the IP for Hashgraph algorithm. This is old news, I know that, but guys, Hedera is one to consider as well. Partnerships with Google now. They don't have a central CEO. They're getting rid of that. So Hedera is definitely very bullish in my eyes. This is Mance Harmon here, guys, confirming that they are on track with high growth and a future that looks very bright. Develop the best product here, have the best plan and execute it to the market as planned. Don't be distracted by the short-term dollar sugar hits, guys. Crypto Observer, thank you for this. I'm going to watch this now. Let's have a quick play.
Strong ethics and values of always doing the right thing, and that certainly starts at the top. And what we see are some competing projects that are willing to take the cut the corners that allow them to get market share more quickly. And of course there's enormous pressure to do that, right? There's enormous pressure from our ecosystem to do certain things that might, be a quick win in terms of market cap, and everybody wants to get rich, so to speak, but those do come at a cost in the long term, as you point out. And while some of it is just the way that Lehman and I are wired, right? We have always taken a long view on these things and always said that if we stick to our guns and stay true to the principles of building true fundamental value into the project, then over time the rest of these things take care of themselves. Don't do anything that'll give you sort of a sugar high, but it's going to hurt or damage the project in the longer term. We've always taken that view, and it's just part of your makeup to say, I'm not going to be swayed by the market, by token holders, by others that, many of them are well-intentioned, right? A lot of people have very strong opinions about what should be done, and it's not because that they're just wanting to get rich. It's because they think it's the right thing to do for the project, but you have to stay true to your vision and to your principles, or those well-meaning people will destroy your company. And
Very bullish news, obviously, an interview there in relation to HBAR, guys. They've got an incredible future, so it's very early in this stage, just right here. Some interesting stuff here. It's from crypto law, guys. In the court, the SEC's lawyers stand behind their logic-neutral pronouns, the arrogant, condescending, that everyone should have known that XRP was always a security, that human speech wasn't guidance, and that all those we's, meaning the SEC, are mass delusions. So this is on Forbes. You know, again, XRP is not a security, guys, and this is being ridiculous. This is the tweet from Greyscale. Just obviously keep an eye on Vechain because it is mentioned there, and obviously all these cryptocurrencies here. So I've been talking about a couple of these on my channel for a while. Vechain, I'm very bullish on. Robinhood, the goal to open Bitcoin and crypto trading to customers worldwide in 2022. Robinhood was going to be launched in Australia, and I was eyeing it off, and obviously Stake, the other app that I invest in stocks, came about. Robinhood cancelled their Australian waitlist for whatever reason, so I'd be interested to see what happens with Robinhood here in Australia if they launch it. Very doubtful. You've got some stuff here, IBM Hyperledger Fabric, Blockchain Modular, Hedera Hashgraph, just some incredible charts here, guys. It's very, very technical. But again, big partnerships and board of governance here. Hedera Hashgraph is insane. Chainlink as well is one to look at very closely as well. Smart contracts need to secure automation to realize their full potential. Chainlink keepers empower developers automate key smart contract functions in a highly reliable, decentralized and low-cost manner. Chainlink is a monster of a project, and I think it's incredibly undervalued, so I'm looking at that very closely. Let's just keep scrolling down here, guys. The Ripple total sales. So thank you, Mickle Markets, for this tweet. Ripple total sales by quarter. XRP sales dropped dramatically when the Ripple first finds out about they're being investigated by the SEC. Yet now, during the case, sales of XRP, excuse me, are ramping up aggressively. Look at that. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. Excuse me. Extremely tired because I watched the tennis last night. But anyway, let's go have a look at this. Incredible stuff here. XRP community. Does this mean your keys but not your wallet now? The unhosted crypto wallet rule is back. This is interesting here. This lady here, I don't even know how she's involved with cryptocurrencies, to be quite honest, but they want access to like large transactions on crypto exchanges. They want the names and details of people. So let's see what happens with this. Don't know what's happening there, but you know, the government just wants control. Some other stuff here, guys. The purchasing power of the dollar. Look at this, guys. 1925 till now 2000. It's just going downwards. So this is why you need to invest your money, because it's becoming worthless just sitting in the bank there, guys. It's the truth. And this is just hilarious here. Gary Gensler and Brad Garlinghouse there. Oh, Titanic. I think that's hilarious. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. In terms of the news, let's just go to my portfolio. Actual fact trading view. I just want to show you guys this. The total market cap. Now, I've got a couple of different log trend channels on here. Straight upwards, guys. We are still going upwards, which is really nice here. And again, I just want to point out that the little blip in the total right there, you can see where we're at the moment. We're just slightly going back up now, so maybe it's just starting to bounce off some supports here. Really nice, but again, the big scheme and things, guys, you've really got to zoom out here. Understand that we're so early in crypto. It's crazy to think where we're going in the future. And I just want to say that just have some patience. Things are just getting started. It's very interesting. So that's it on TradingView. Let's go to coin market cap. The market cap sitting at $1.7 trillion today, which is slightly up from yesterday, guys. $53 billion in trading volume. So it's down a little bit, 24 hours in the red. Not really worried about that. Anchor, Chainlink, Helium, Axie Infinity, Curve, Dow are in the green. And here we go straight to my portfolio. All right, Bitcoin, 37,000K. It hasn't dropped. That's just literally trading sideways. Again, I just think that coming out of January is the time when, you know, people are back from holidays and stuff will start to pick up again. That's all. We lose literally like 2 months of the year because of holidays. So anyway, Cardano, $1.03. XRP is at 60 cents right now. It's an incredible buying opportunity. Dogecoin is at 13 cents. Matic, $1.59. Shiba Inu, new protocols at $10. Tron, Stellar's at 19 cents USD. Mana, $2.48. Hedera is at 21 cents. Sandbox, Vechain is at 5 cents right now, ladies and gentlemen. That is incredibly cheap. Market cap 3.3 billion. Fully diluted is 4.5. Max supply is 86.7 billion VET. So it's not something crazy. So VET for me has an incredible opportunity to at least 10x for sure. That's why I'm DCAing into it, building a nice bag. Theta, BTT, the Graph, Neo, Gala, AMP, Ecomi, Rose, Theta Fuel, XDCs at 5 cents. Need 6 figures of that. Anchor, Sia Coin, Talcoin, Vechain, Nervos Network, Digibyte, Winlink, Meta Hero, XYO. I'm very bullish on. He's up slightly today, which is nice. Super Farm, UFO Gaming, Reserve Riots, DAG, Constellation, Reef. I'm very bullish on. DeFi is going to be big this year, and it's on Polkadot Network as well, so it could be a mad fly up. That's why I'm DCing into it as well, building up a decent bag. VET-Thor, Electronium, Digital Pound Foundation, XPR. I like their payment system where you use their username, so I am holding that. Veracity, I am holding that, staking on CoinSpot. Kin, Gas, I get paid because of Neo. Acropolis, Ubix Network, Olympus DAO, I think is a rug pull. Lost my money there, and People was just a gamble for me. So that's my entire portfolio I'm holding at the moment. Let me know in the comments below what you think about Vechain. Are you bullish on it? Grayscale is now eyeing it off, and there could be a potential Coinbase listing. Don't count that on that, but guys, anything is possible right now. It is not tradable on here at the moment, but if this gets listed on Coinbase, forget it. It's going to go boom. Anyway, we'll talk about it in the comments. All right, stay safe. Peace, bye.